Stop. So it's Wednesday morning, and we are headed to one of Mason's doctor's appointments. So that is what we're doing today.
Then I gotta go back to work.
And then Eric has to go back to work. Oh, and then yep, and Mason finally got his haircut. You can see his ears now. See him glow from the side of the background. Do you see it, Mason? Yeah. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Sorry that we didn't vlog any Monday. I know I've already said that. I haven't posted today's video as of yet, so that will be coming. You'll see that. You'll obviously see that it's posted by the time that you see this. So yeah.
Really low on gas. Scary.
But anyways, that's what we're doing. We'll talk to you peeps later. Bye. Alright, so we're right now just dropping off Mason. Well, Eric is anyways. And sitting here waiting for Eric to get back in. He's gonna drop me off, and I need to go finish the vlog, editing the vlog and putting it up. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, it's not much to our day anyways. Maybe Eric will film. I'll tell her to film if he remembers. But other than that, it's a beautiful day here in Barboursville. And I'm not sure exactly on the temperature right now, but it is very nice. Very nice. It's cooled down from what it has been in the 90s. So, looks like it's going to be just a beautiful day. And we got church later on tonight. So, yeah, I'm excited. So, talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, peeps. So, we're here at the bank getting some money out. We're going to be going to get some gas and going to the store. But there is a store coming. Did I say store or storm? Storm coming.
Rain.
Storm.
Give me money.
Doc.
Show me the money.
It's Doc over there. I don't know if you can see it from here. So if I get some footage of it raining or anything, we'll get back. I love storms. But yeah, oh, it's still beautiful outside though. What temperature do you think it is, babe?
It's like 75.
No, it feels warmer than that. It's 80. It says 80.
I vlog.
Oh, Eric's gonna vlog on the other camera.
We're rolling.
So yeah, I'll show you more if we get some thunderstorms.
Go get some go-go juice. We're rolling. Get some go-go juice. I think I'm gonna start adding vlogs to my drone footage. Did you see that, my video?
No. Yesterday's?
Well, I loaded last night.
No, I haven't seen that.
Because I added a little bit of footage of me and Mason walking to the...
Wait, so that's the same footage that I have on my vlog?
Yep.
No!
Both of them. Both the beginning, me and Mason walking up to it, and then the end when I was leaving the football field.
Listen, I don't use all your drone footage. You don't use all my people footage.
So I'm gonna start adding a little like vlogging in with the footage.
I don't get it. I'm doing the same thing, so why don't I just leave it on the same channel?
You're just copying me.
No, honey.
Yeah.
It was my idea to begin with.
No, actually it was my idea to start vlogging. That's why I ordered this camera.
Wait, you ordered the camera after I started doing videos?
No.
Yes, babe. Oh, it's dark over there.
Yeah, it's gonna storm. right, people. See you on a minute.
Alright, we're here at the gas station. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, in the, because it's not over here, it's blue sky over here, but like behind us or on the side of me, it is dark. Can you see that? I don't hear any thunder or anything, but I don't know, it's coming. See, it's blue skies up here. Stop. Yep, so talk to you later.
We're recording. Oh. I hope I can find reverse. Okay.
That's a nice ramp.
Looks like he hit something. Look at the side of the door. It's all crinkled.
Yeah. So nice though. I don't know, looks like the storm maybe broke up.
Oh, lady. Oh, maybe it's going to rain later tonight. You're welcome. Sir, you cannot park there. It's funny they have these like no parking spots. People don't pay attention to them.
Well, yellow doesn't mean no parking, does it?
Yeah, I mean if it's painted on there no parking, then you can't park there. Oh, the wind's picking up.
Oh, I feel it. Oh, it feels good though.
How come is it the gas prices always go up right before I get paid?
Babe, I don't know.
It's going to rain. Another hand shot. Before it starts pouring.
Wind has picked up.
Look at the flag over there.
Yeah, I'm filming it right now. That was a front.
That's done.
It's done. Wow.
Okay. We're back in the truck again.
I just got back from the doctor.
Well, you got back from the doctor's a long time ago.
And I went
Where are we going now?
to church,
Uh-huh.
but I went straight to school. I was kind of late for
We gotta go to church.
and we don't know where we're going to do dinner.
I don't know. We'll think of something. But yeah, I'm gonna go to church, and then after that, figure out what we're gonna do for dinner, and then be lazy the rest of the day. So we'll see y'all later. And it might rain.
'Cause it's windy.
Maybe. It's dark clouds back there. So in the wind.
Hey,
Wind
Felix,
picks-
we're heading off to a restaurant to get our dinner.
No, we ain't.
What?
We're still thinking.
Can we? Hi, Phoebes. We're going to go pick up Jonathan from work.
I like the other option better.
I don't
What are
know.
we going to do for dinner?
I don't know if you heard Mason back there, but he's back there.
We got food.
Somewhere.
We got food at the house. We got a big old bag of cat food.
No.
Two big old bags of cat food.
No,
Yeah.
no.
You can eat it. It's just not good for you.
But we're headed to pick up Jonathan from work right now. I'm looking at the wrong place. Hi. But yeah.
Now you can see me.
Yep, now I can see you. So yeah, and there's Ashley back there on her phone. Babe, you can't miss him.
My clothes.
All right, well, we'll see you later.